Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to recover Apple ID password? If you don't remember your password and if you remember your email address, so how can recovering Apple ID on iPhone, iPad after updated? So guys, let's get started the video without wasting your time. First of all, open App Store app on your phone and then tap on profile icon and then tap on sign in an Apple account. Tap on forget password. Enter your email address on Apple ID. Tap continue. Now is asking confirm phone number. Enter your trusted phone number to continue. Now tap on trusted phone number. Click on continue. After that, choosing appear on screen and then tap on send code to your trusted phone number and reset your password with a verification code sent to your trusted phone number. Then tap on send. After that verification code, enter your verification code sent to your phone number and check your phone number's inbox and type here password. Click here. Now waiting few seconds, verifying. Enter your iPhone passcode. This iPhone also helps you regain access to your Apple account. Waiting few seconds. Now enter new password. Tap here, new password. Enter retype password. Now click here and tap on continue. Again tap here, tap continue. Then your password has been changed and tap on continue and sign in iCloud on my phone. Now we can see here's Apple ID signing. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.